In this series, we are going to look at a broad overview of the scenic designer's technical process for designing the environment for live performance. Assuming you've been charged with designing the set for a stage production, the first step in this process is reading the script, text, or libretto. After establishing the creative direction for the production with the director, you must break down the script and inventory all of its requirements. This could include architectural features like entrances and exits, furniture and appliances, locations, and plot elements like a giant beanstalk or barricade. The other bit of information includes time and place. This will inform your research and influence the aesthetic details of your design. The next step is gathering details about the venue or performance space. What are the stage dimensions? What kind of theatrical rigging opportunities are there? What soft or hard masking exists in the space? Where are the exits? Are there established electrics? What are the sightlines like? Once you have this information, you can begin developing a ground plan based on the venue's limitations. This will provide you with a framework to sketch your ideas into. Using the template you've developed, you can begin conceptualizing the stage picture and developing mechanisms to tell the story at hand via drafting and model making. This can be in the form of three-dimensional models, 2D sketches, multimedia, or a combination of all of them to communicate your ideas to the rest of the creative team. After you've established the look and concept for the show, you can begin breaking it down into scale. A complete set of designer's drawings include a ground plan in quarter-inch scale, a section in quarter-inch scale, designer's front, top, and side elevations of all the individual units and scenic elements in half-inch scale, and scale pane elevations of all the scenery in half-inch scale. A set of ground plans should be created showing the location of objects and set changes on stage from scene to scene, and where they are stored while off stage. If you're a beginner, I suggest AutoCAD or Vectorworks to create your drawings digitally, or drawing them by hand with an architectural scale ruler, T-square, and triangle. Please remember to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more technical theater and entertainment design content. Also, follow me and connect on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter.